Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect via TV. Connect your device to the TV using an HDMI cable into the HDMI 1 port. Start by selecting the right input on your TV and enabling the device's output in settings. If sound is missing, check the TV audio settings and the device volume. For wireless options, enable screen mirroring or cast from your device and choose the TV from the list. When your device lacks a native HDMI port, choose the correct adapter and confirm power requirements before connecting. Active adapters handle signal conversion better for older ports and often need external power. For 4K or HDR content, pick cables and adapters rated for the bandwidth you need. Keep adapters tidy and test one connection at a time to isolate any physical or compatibility issues quickly and calmly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep snacks ready while updates install or long transfers run. They're great for avoiding spills and saving time when you're juggling devices and cables. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adjusting audio and display settings usually fixes most playback issues without complex troubleshooting. On the TV, pick the correct speakers or receiver and match the output format on your source device. If video lags or shows artifacts, lower the resolution temporarily to test the connection. Keep firmware updated on both TV and source to prevent compatibility problems. Simple resets of ports and cables often clear stubborn sync or sound glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.